What's up, everybody? I'm Dennis Hughes. Today we're going to look at some 200-gram cakes that I picked up from the Black Cat firework dealer. The first one is Cat Fight. It's 9 shots, and the performance is red tail to red palm, green tail to glitter to green palm, silver tail to silver palm. And the next one is 9 lives, which is 9 shots. And for the performance, it's a multi-shot aerial vertical firing, and the effects is red palm to green palm to yellow palm. And that's by Black Cat. This first one was Red Rhino. The next one, made by Texas Outlaw, is Outlaw Ruckus. It's 16 shots. Performance is silver spinner tail, red blue sparkler to white glitter, to silver spinner tail to purple green sparkler plus white glitter. It's a pretty heavy cake. And the last 200-gram cake I have here is Game Fish, also made by Texas Outlaw, and it is 15 shots. Let's see. And the performance on it, 1 through 6 shot is dark red sky, blue sparkler plus white glitter, purple sky blue sparkler plus green glitter, and then shot 7 through 10 is blue sparkler mine, the blue sparkler mine, pistol plus silverfish mine, red glitter mine to red glitter plus silverfish, and the 11 through 15 shot is whistling tail to golden time rain. So that's the 4 cakes that I have. In the next upload I will be demoing these. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to see more content. Thanks for watching.